Hello my dear friends, how are you? In this video we will discuss about general properties of waves. Our first MCQ is which of the following is not a type of mechanical wave? Number A sound waves, number B water waves, number C light waves, number D seismic waves. Our correct answer is light waves. Now its explanation is light waves are electromagnetic waves. They don't need a medium to travel. Our second MCQ is which type of wave requires a medium to propagate? Number A X-rays, number B radio rays, number C sound waves, number D gamma rays. Our correct answer is sound waves. Its explanation is sound waves are mechanical waves and cannot travel in vacuum. Our third MCQ is the distance between two consecutive throws and two consecutive crests and R throws is called number A amplitude, number B frequency, number C wavelength, number D period. Our correct answer is wavelength. Its explanation is wavelength is the distance between two consecutive points in the same phase. Now our fourth MCQ is in transverse waves the particles of the medium move. Number A parallel to the distance of wave motion, number B perpendicular to the direction of the wave motion, number C in a circular path, number D opposite to the direction of wave motion. Our correct answer is parallel to the direction of the wave motion. No, perpendicular to the direction of wave motion. Our correct answer is perpendicular to the direction of wave motion. Its explanation is in transverse waves, vibrations are at right angle to the direction of propagation. Our fifth MCQ is in longitudinal waves, the particles of the medium move at number A at right angles to wave direction, number B parallel to the wave direction, number C in random direction, number D opposite to wave motion. Our correct answer is parallel to wave direction. Its explanation is longitudinal waves involve compressions and rarefactions along the direction of wave motion. Our sixth MCQ is the SI unit of frequency is number A meter, number B second, number C hertz, number D joule. Our correct answer is hertz. Explanation is a 1 hertz is equal to 1 vibration per second. 1 vibration per second. Our seventh MCQ is the maximum displacement of a particle from its mean position is called number A frequency, number B amplitude, number C wavelength, Number D, time period. Our correct answer is amplitude. And explanation is amplitude measures the highest of the height of the wave from the equilibrium position. Our eighth MCQ is the number of vibration or cycles per second is called. Number A, wavelength. Number B, amplitude. Number C, frequency. Number D, time period. Our correct answer is frequency. Explanation is frequency is measured in hertz, Hz, meaning circles per second. Our last and ninth MCQ is the time taken to complete one vibration or one wave is called. Number A, frequency. Number B, amplitude. Number C, time period. Number D, wavelength. Our correct answer is time period. Explanation is the reciprocal of frequency gives the time period. Thank you very much.